Hello and welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week I'm going to be making summer fruit sorbet. The first thing I'm going to do is turn the heat on to a low heat. I'm then going to add in water and caster sugar, and I'm going to wait for it to dissolve by stirring occasionally and then turning it up to a higher heat to bring it to the boil. Now that it has come to the boil, I'm going to turn it off and leave it to one side to cool. In my bowl, I'm now going to puree my summer fruits with some orange juice. I'm now going to take my puree and push it through a sieve to get rid of all the seeds. I'm now going to mix the syrup in with the puree. I'm taking an old ice cream container that I have and I'm going to pour in my sorbet. Now going to place a lid on top of it and place it in my freezer for 2 hours. It has been in the freezer for 2 hours. I'm now going to whisk it until it goes smooth. I'm now going to put it back in the freezer for 4 hours. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.